This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Bashar Osawan. Take a look at this beautiful 4-bedroom 3.5 bath home with fenced backyard. The house was built in 2014. Very spacious, it boasts over 3,400 square feet. This house features a large open floor plan that has den downstairs that could be used as an office or playroom. Formal living room, dining room combo, large family room that overlooks the kitchen and the dinette plus half a bath on the first level. On the second level you will find 3 bedrooms and a master bedroom, large bonus room that could be easily used as a 5th bedroom, huge office, poly room or media room, along with a large utility room with a sink and plenty of cabinets for storage. This is a new community with well-maintained homes and yards. Renter insurance required. Washer and dryer included. Lawn care included. This is a quality built home at a new neighborhood with highly rated schools, clubhouse and beautiful swimming pool. Windermere Trails Community is near all shopping, banking, restaurants and other services.